Welcome to Photoshop Lab. First, let us select our image or subject, duplicate it, Ctrl+J, convert it into Smart Object. Then, hold Ctrl key, then select the thumbnail to select the pixel. Select the original image, then go to Select, Modify, and expand the selection. Hit OK. You can use generative fill to clean the background, but also you can use the content-aware fill. Select the duplicated image or layer, then edit, use Puppet Warp. Set the value of the expansion to 5, then pin the areas that you want to lock first, then pin the areas that you want to move next. In rotating the areas that you want to move, use or hold Alt key to gently move it. Remember, the goal is to make it realistic as possible.